Alright, y'all, we're out here at the creek doing a little creek fishing, doing a little exploring, doing a little adventuring. I'm looking for bait for a catfish, and I thought while I'm here, hell, I'll do a little bass fishing. But I gotta tell you guys about these pliers. Your uncle sent me probably 2 months ago by now. I've been using them. I really like them. They come with this sheath, has all these features. But what I really like are the split ring nose, and then these little clippers here, put it this way. That way I don't have to like fumble with scissors or a knife, and I got my pliers. I mean, anyway, it's a lot of tools in one. So I'm enjoying them. I don't really need the sheath in my kayak, but it's great for my backpack because it keeps it from getting all tangled up in the mesh. But in the kayak, they just go right in a little pocket there. Now, if you guys want to check them out, I got a link in the description. They're actually offering 15% off. If you guys want it, I'll put the code in the description as well. Or actually, I'll just put the code right here. So use this code, get 15% off. And yeah, I like them. They're very handy. They come with it comes in a package with some grippers, but I don't need these until I go catfishing. I don't really use them for bass. I just lip the bass, but great for catfish. Save your thumbs. Alright, let's go get some bass. Found my bait. There's some really good red horse, and there's a shad spawn going on. There's a lot of shad in here too. Got, ooh, there's a big stick. Forgot to re-spool my line, so I'm using the braid with the probably 20-foot leader. The old crawfish Texas rig with the bullet weight. Pitching it up in these brush piles where the largemouth are. Of course, there's also the snakes. And then since we got a shad spawn, if I start seeing some shad flicking, which I hadn't yet, it's been sunny all day. Got me a little fluke with a little split shot. And I'm using that VMC ringed hook. Really enhances the action. Also put that in the description below. Right now I want to go get some largemouth with this crawfish and pitch it into these wood piles. I feel like I got a submarine and a canal. A big old kayak in this little bitty old creek. Well, the water feels good. Yeah, we're going up the creek. The water gets nice and clear and it's cold.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. This would be full of them, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
There are snakes, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. But they're usually in the bushes. Yeah, it kind of looks like Louisiana from here.
Yeah.
Serious swamp, yeah. Oh, there's a bunch of shad. Ooh. Huh? That was shad.
The fake thing.
Yeah, that's American shad. Yeah. Oh, that wasn't 2 foot.
This was 2 foot.
They were about like that.
No, this was double the size. 2 of them.
Might have been something else.
Somewhere where there's a shade, what do you say?
Shade over there.
Yeah. That would be my choice.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same level as it was last time I was here. I went up there and
things are jumping.
Yeah, those are the creek chubs.
You went there to get a creek chub.
Yeah.
But you were fishing down here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, all the fish are like
Right there.
from here down.
Mm.
Yeah. But there's a bunch of bait here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What is this?
Oh, shit. I forgot to tighten my drag. I thought there would be one in there. Hey, right. Little creek largie. Forgot to tighten my drag. I almost lost him. There you go. That's a good creek bass right there. Hey, baby. Ooh, where are you going? Come here. Ooh, that's a nice one. Oh, barely had you too. That is a nice creek bass, y'all. Get out of your nose. Oh, you weren't going nowhere, were you? There we go. Look at that creek bass, y'all. Ooh. You're chunky. You're a chunky monkey. I'll put it on this side. There you go, buddy. Chunky monkey. What? Yeah, there's one. Come here, little guy. You're not the big boy I thought was going to be in that hole. There might be another one though. Right there, here. The little one. Oh, it's never had him. Oh, he took my bait. Oh. Totally took my bait. Hey, buddy. You like them trees, don't you? Mr. Lodgy? Yeah. You got my crawdad in there? Huh? You got my crawdad? Probably spit it out, huh? I don't know where my friend went. These guys are dark. Kind of look like, oh, I'm not going to say Florida bass, but they're really dark. I'm happy. Mr. Lodgy, go on. That's what you get for taking my crawdad. Well, I promised I'd let him drive my kayak, so I better let him drive before it gets too late. When I'm running into everything, that's my job. Get in the face.